Have you ever felt like you have so many dreams, but no idea where to start? Or you set goals every year and months later you look back and realize nothing really got done? The book, Vision Board Magic, tells us that the solution isn't in writing down more goals. It's in seeing them every day right in front of you, in a way that ignites your energy and moves you into action. This book isn't just about the law of attraction or vague advice. It's a practical guide that transforms your dreams from a mere idea into a clear plan with intentions, steps, and energy. Jean Van't Hul explains that any successful vision board is built on 3 key elements. 1. Intention. Intention isn't just I want a car or I want money. It's about, what do you want to feel when you achieve this? For example, not money, but the feeling of security. Not travel, but the feeling of freedom. Not the perfect body, but the feeling of confidence. The book emphasizes that if you don't understand your intention, you'll never truly achieve your goal. 2. Image. The image isn't the object itself. It's a representation of the feeling you want to experience. So instead of putting a picture of a car, put an image of open roads, a place that represents freedom, travel, and adventure. 3. Energy and action. The book criticizes the idea that a vision board is magic. There's no magic without action. But the board does something important. It reprograms your mind daily. Every time you see it, your mind reprioritizes and starts noticing opportunities you hadn't seen before. It's like thinking about buying a car and suddenly seeing that same model everywhere. Why? Because your attention is opened. And now that we've understood the core idea behind the book, let's dive deeper. How do we actually create a vision board that's not just a collection of pictures, but a life map we can follow step by step? Step 1. Self-discovery. Before the images, before the scissors, before anything, sit with yourself and ask, what are the top 5 feelings I want to live with this year? What will make me excited to wake up every day? What, if achieved, would make me feel reborn? What habits do I want to strengthen? What relationships do I want to create or develop? The book says a vision board built on feelings plus values is the one that truly lasts, not one based on things for the sake of things. Step: collecting images, but not just any images. Jean Van't Hul stresses an important point. Do not take random images from Pinterest and paste them blindly. Each image must have a deep reason, evoke a feeling in you, reflect your future self. Examples: if your goal is fitness, you don't need a perfect body picture. A single photo of someone running in the morning sun can make you feel strong and motivated. If your goal is financial independence, you don't need dollar bills. A cozy desk, warm lighting, a cup of coffee can evoke the feeling of accomplishment. Step 3. Design the board. The book recommends 6 to 8 main goals only. Empty spaces so energy can breathe. Balance between images and empowering words. A visually comfortable layout. It's also nice to include phrases in the center. I deserve this. I am ready for the next stage. Step 4. Placement of the board. One of the most important tips. It should be somewhere you see it without even thinking. Next to your bed, above your desk, on a closet door, on your phone screen. The goal is for your mind to see it automatically. Step 5. Weekly follow-up. Here's where the real magic happens. Jean says, the board alone isn't enough, but small daily steps can change your destiny. Make a simple weekly sheet with this week's goal. 1 small action. What progressed? What needs adjustment? That's when the real magic starts to appear. Step 6. Update every 3 months. Why? Because you change, your dreams change, and your energy changes. The book calls this a seasonal vision board, a board that evolves with the season of your life. Deadly mistakes with vision boards. 1. A board with 40 goals. It overwhelms your mind instead of helping. 2. Choosing showy images, like a perfect body or a luxurious mansion. This doesn't motivate, it discourages. 3. Goals that aren't yours. Society's goals, friends' goals, Instagram goals, not your soul's goals. 4. Make it with excitement, then forget it. The most common mistake. 5. Comparing your board to others' boards. Your board must be yours, not a copy of someone else's. And in the end, always remember, your dreams aren't far away. They're just waiting for a small step from you. A step where you see the path clearly and believe it's worth achieving. May the new year be the start of realizing every dream in your heart. And may it be the closest year yet to the most beautiful version of yourself.